Finally, the video you have been waiting for. Not only am I going to be doing a face reveal today, but I'm going to be making something for Hiro to eat. This was a beautiful piece of back of frost salmon that came in frozen. It was very simple to thaw out. I just laid it on a small tray, left it in the refrigerator, and took it out the next day. Using good quality paper towel, I removed the moisture as much as I could from the flesh side as well as the skin side. Now it's time to begin the smoking process. Since this fillet was around 2 pounds, I used 2.5 ounces of salt. You can use salt and sugar, but in this case I just wanted to use salt, and I wanted to use rock salt. Just make sure you cover every part of the salmon so it gets to absorb it all. And from there it goes into the refrigerator for 6 hours. After the 6 hours, I remove the salmon from the refrigerator and rinse all the salt off under cold running water. And after that, use a good quality paper towel to remove all the moisture front and back. After that, I place the salmon back in the refrigerator for 24 hours uncovered. This smoke pins kit can be bought at backofrostshop.com and can be used for other products such as beef, pork, whatever you like. Everything you see here comes with a smoke pins kit. Not only the wood frames or the pins, but you get the hooks and the bag that you use to cover the salmon as it's being smoked outside, as well as these wood sticks and of course the instructions. Be sure to follow them because it looks simple, but if you don't get the rods right, it could take you more than just 5 minutes. And the finished product basically looks like this. Inside this plastic bag, you'll not only get the hooks that you hooked up the fish or the meat that you're going to be smoking, but this plastic bag that you're going to be covering up the entire frame with the salmon inside. These hooks are very unique. There's 2 on one end and 1 on the other. Here's what the salmon looks like after 24 hours. The color is just amazing. The meat is of course much more firmer after being salt cured and drying for 24 hours, but I just couldn't get over the color. Hanging the salmon is very simple. Just be sure to put the side with the 2 hooks into the flesh of the meat. Make sure it goes all the way through to the skin because the salmon's pretty heavy, and if you only have 1 hook on the one side that goes into the salmon, you could risk the hook tearing into the meat and the salmon would actually fall off. In the end, this is what it looks like. Very simple to do. And if you don't want to do salmon, try something else. But I really highly recommend trying the salmon. It also comes with these wood sticks that you light up and let burn, and that's what's going to give you the smoked flavor. In the kit, it comes with 5 of these wood sticks and a stand that you can use, as well as recipes. Besides beechwood, there's also oak and hickory. This is what it looks like right before I put the plastic bag to cover the entire frame with the salmon inside. Make sure there's at least 6 inches between the top of the wood stick to the bottom of the salmon. After placing the bag over the frame, I noticed there was a lot of extra slack on the very bottom. I wanted to tie it tight because that day in Miami was a little bit windy, so all I did was twist it on the bottom and taped it so it wouldn't come free. The final step, prior to moving everything outside to begin the smoking process, I made 3 holes on the top. That way the smoke could actually circulate and escape through the top. Lighting the smoke pin is very simple. Use a lighter, make sure the whole tip has a flame, and simply blow out. Once a wood stick is lit up, it's time to smoke. You place a frame with the salmon inside that's got the plastic bag already covered directly on top of it. I did place some tin foil underneath it because I didn't want any of the salmon juice or salmon oils to drip onto the pavers. Find an area outside of your home that isn't too windy. For me, it was right next to the front door in this corner area. And the final step is to be sure to set your phone's timer for an hour and a half. That way when the alarm goes off, you can change a wood stick and continue the smoking process. I smoked the salmon for a total of 6 hours. Well, take a look at this. What an amazing piece of fish that I was able to do myself. Look at this color. Look how it glistens in the light. But there's only one final test. I need Hiro to taste it and make something with it. If he likes it, then I know I'm onto something.
Hiro-san!
Hey, good afternoon, everyone.
Welcome to the channel!
Yes. Yes, welcome.
Welcome, yes. And why I say welcome? Because I'm the one who was making the salmon for you.
Yes.
Right? You were out of town for a few days. And weather was good. Back and Frost sent this beautiful piece of salmon, so I needed to do it. You guys saw earlier how easy it was. Hiro-san, you have never seen this before. Let's do an wrapping maybe. So covered in tin foil. All right, take a look at this beautiful piece of salmon. Now, how's it look, Hiro? What's your honest opinion?
Looks great, actually.
And also easy to do at home. Really, honestly, that's why we show what we do on this channel. Show stuff that you can make at home so easily, and then see what it tastes like. So you don't have to be here to taste it. But here's on. Okay, what are we making today for this?
Some nigiri sushi, sashimi, and then some hand roll.
Yeah, just some handle, right?
Yeah. And
Something
maybe
so
I'm gonna make
simple.
some maybe maki sushi or something.
Right, I'm excited to see what the end result's going to be with this. Why? Because, let me tell you, I don't know inside. I mean, I just kind of salt cured it, rinsed it, and then smoked it. So, really excited to see you cut through us.
Okay, first I'm going to cut it into the kind of saku, the portion,
Okay?
maybe like this. I want to avoiding this parts, a little bit of, because meat is separate.
Right.
Maybe I'm going to make a roll or handle this area. But anyway, I want to cut into the portion first.
Okay. And that's where the hooks, that's where the hooks went in.
Okay, let me go this way.
And let's see, it's actually kind of stiff, right?
Yeah, it's
Look
a
at the
little bit like a edged one,
Aged, right.
Yeah.
Yeah, like dry age or something. Okay.
So this salmon skin is really nice too.
Yeah.
You make the salmon skin. So I'm gonna cut all the way here because of this is a meat is kind of separate. I broke it. I just gonna keep like this one.
Okay, let's take a look inside. All right. So the texture, how's it feel inside? Is it pretty soft?
Inside is kind of soft, but
Okay.
a little bit of firm, of course.
Okay. Yeah, from taking the moisture out with the salt.
Yeah. Not like as of course raw salmon.
Yeah, that's beautiful. Let me tell you.
Very nice.
Yeah. Looking good.
Looking very good.
That's a compliment from you to me. Now you're making me excited. I need to start my own channel here.
Yeah.
And show my face finally, right? Oh yeah.
Okay, first I'm gonna make sashimi
Okay.
style. Okay, let me start this side. Okay, very nice. Look at this. First one, I'm gonna slice away. Some slice. Wow, so good. Look at this oily. Very nice. I really can't wait to eat this one.
Finally, something I made that looks good for you to try. It's been how many years? 11 years?
Oh, the when last time I do the smoke one?
No, 11 years since I haven't made anything for you to
Oh,
try.
I see. So something you made it.
Yeah, something I made, right? Look, if I can make it, anyone can. Of course, I don't have your cutting skills, but
Yeah, it's okay. And then this one is you like a thickness, right?
yeah,
Little bit,
I'll
right?
make it thicker for myself.
This much.
Some people like thin.
Yeah, some people prepare thin, but okay. So each 6 slice. Okay, so next one is nigiri sushi. So we can taste. Okay, next one is I'm going to make a spicy smoked salmon hand roll.
I've never seen that before.
I've never seen that too. Usually we do because of smoked salmon,
Right.
so you must enjoy smoke taste. But we are trying to add on a little bit spicy. So how the
Yeah.
result
I
is
can't wait
like?
to try it here.
Yeah, just try.
Okay.
So I'm going to use this kind of parts, all the parts. I think this skin is also. If you make a salmon skin roll, will be nice. You can see the color,
Yeah.
smoky color here. Okay, let me cut into small these parts. I'm going to use this part. Kimchi sauce.
Okay. So we don't have exact measurements, but you can go by taste. You like it more spicy, add more kimchi and sriracha.
I just added the kimchi and the sriracha is a 50-50 kind of ratio. Mayonnaise. And a little bit of sesame oil. Mix it up. Okay, nice.
Beautiful.
Okay. So this one I'm going to make a handle.
Okay.
Okay, so I need to talk about the seaweed. So this seaweed was already open already.
Right.
I just used this one almost like a month ago.
Okay.
I opened up this one. Then I try to keep it very good, wrap it up. But anyway, seaweed are getting, you can tell, a little bit saggy, right?
Okay.
So I'm going to make in this one a bit shape, make
Okay.
it dry up. Okay, now getting heated up, then start like this.
Now, can people do it on a stove with flame?
The flame is a little bit more, you need to really attention
Yeah.
to do it.
Better be careful with that.
Very easy to seaweed to catch the fire.
Right.
It's this one is much easier.
Right. Your hands gotta be hot.
That's why you need to movement of this one
Right.
faster. Okay, now getting harder.
Okay. Yeah, I hear it.
Yeah.
Not so soft.
So I'm going to make a handle. Salmon.
Oh, beautiful. I cannot wait to try this.
Yeah, I think a handle is always eat quick.
Right.
Yeah. If you like to taste it right now, you can taste it. That's the best timing
Yeah.
for this moment. But anyway, this is a handle.
Okay. Here we go, the finished product with everything Hiro made. Smoked back-and-forth salmon. Here we have the spicy smoked salmon hand rolls. We have sashimi, thick and thin cut, and the nigiri. And let me tell you what, if I can do it, you guys can do it too. Made something for Hiro. I can't wait to try it. Hiro-san, thank you so much. Yeah, I can't wait, right? Anytime you need a sous chef, I'll be there with you.
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Start with this one.
Okay.
Slice one.
You approve, Hiro?
Yeah, very.
Really?
Very approved. Very approved.
Really? Oh my goodness. Was I really responsible?
Texture.
For this?
Taste and smell, all good.
Let me try. Wow. Can't believe I had something to do with this.
Yeah. And
Amazing.
then a little bit of saltiness one. That was good too.
Yeah.
I'm going to try the thick
And
one.
the salt wasn't in there for that long, only 4 hours. Thicker slice. Outside's a little bit, kind of more firm outside. Inside's, of course, super buttery and soft.
I enjoy the little bit outside, not a crunchy, but a little bit of.
It's like a little crust or something, right?
That's really good to me.
It's a dry edge part. Not really dry edge, but
Yeah.
okay.
Sushi parts, I think he decided the belly side.
Okay. How's it with the rice?
Of course. Very good combination. The very side of this one. Very
Well, the
side.
rice you made is very good
Yeah.
too, but with the
This
smoked
is,
salmon on top,
backside.
it is really good.
I try just to put a little bit of wasabi this time.
Okay.
And I put the soy sauce a little bit too. It's not really necessary, but I try.
How's that with wasabi?
This is another way, so good. You can taste the soy sauce, little wasabi, little bit spiciness,
Yeah.
but still smoked salmon. You can taste. Really good. Wow.
I was thinking because it's salty already, a little bit salty. Maybe adding soy sauce wouldn't be that good, but
You can taste a little saltiness more.
Yeah.
Of course.
it's good because the rice is not salty at all. So it's a
Yes.
nice combination.
Yes.
Soy sauce and smoked salmon. All right, the last one here.
Last one is this one, the spicy hand roll. Of course, I added a little spiciness.
Yeah.
So how the combination works, Let's try.
Everybody loves your spicy salmon hand roll. Especially in Boston where we were. People were enjoying it so much.
Of course, I added the kimchi, the very strong spicy taste on it. A little bit losing smoky flavor
Okay.
compared with sushi or sashimi, right?
Right.
Of course. But total balance is still good.
So good.
I mean, tasty.
I'm gonna try it.
Salmon textures are different, very different. Regular salmon hand roll, of course, smoked salmon hand roll.
More firm, but it's actually so good. Try it at home. So simple. You will surprise your whole family and yourself, because I'm totally blown away by what I made, Hiro.
Yes, so good this one. You must try this one. Cameraman can cook, you can cook.
Well, there you go, guys. All the information is down below. How to make this at home. If I can do it, you can too. Or if cameraman can cook, you can too.
Yes.
The new tagline for the channel.
Yes, new series is starting.
Right. Hiro, thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Finally, the moment you've been waiting for, my face reveal.